With most of this year's crops in the shed, attention has turned to next year. We're back on Michael and Chris Cottage's farm in Cambridgeshire, where oilseed rape was drilled directly into stubble yesterday on this hilly field. Michael is now rolling it in using a 1989 Ford 7810 Silver Jubilee and a 7.6 metre wide set of Simba Cambridge rolls. The 6,500-hour 7810 Silver Jubilee was originally sold new in Suffolk in December 1989 by Graham Steele from Potters of Halesworth. The cottage family became its second owners about 20 years ago. It was bought predominantly for hedge cutting, which it was used for until recently with a large Bomford machine, but now undertakes general tasks like rolling when other tractors are in use.